In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a plate light bulb in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. Now just take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. You want to go above that slot. There's a tab. Push down on that tab. And you can slide the light right out. You can see that's where you're pushing down, right there. We can remove the bulb, just twist the socket to the left, and it slides right out. And pull the bulb out, just grab the bulb, and it slides right out. This is a 194 bulb, and you just want to line it up the same way it came out, into the slot, and push it in. Now take the socket, slide it in place and twist it to the right just slightly, just like that. Now there's two little tabs on the bottom. You want to line up with those with the slots, just like that, and then lock it back in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.